Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have become one of the most popular investment vehicles in recent years, offering a simple and cost-effective way to diversify a portfolio. But what exactly is an ETF, and how does it work? An exchange-traded fund, ETF, is a type of investment fund that trades on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. ETFs are designed to track the performance of a specific index, commodity, sector, or asset class. They provide investors with exposure to a diversified basket of securities in a single transaction. 1. Features of ETFs. Diversification. ETFs track an index, sector, commodity, or other asset classes, providing instant diversification. Liquidity. Since they trade on exchanges like stocks, ETFs can be bought and sold throughout the trading day at market prices. Low costs. Most ETFs have lower expense ratios compared to mutual funds because they are passively managed, though some are actively managed. Transparency. ETFs disclose their holdings daily, allowing investors to know exactly what assets they own. Tax efficiency. ETFs typically generate fewer capital gains taxes than mutual funds due to their unique structure. 2. How do ETFs work? ETFs are created by financial institutions that buy underlying assets, like stocks or bonds, and bundle them into a fund. Shares of the ETF are then listed on an exchange, allowing investors to buy and sell them like stocks. 3. Types of ETFs. Index ETFs track market indices like the S&P 500, e.g., SPY. Sector ETFs focus on specific industries, e.g., technology, healthcare. Bond ETFs invest in government or corporate bonds. Commodity ETFs track gold, oil, or other commodities. International ETFs provide exposure to foreign markets. Inverse and leveraged ETFs. Designed for short-term trading, higher risk. 4. Advantages of ETFs. Lower fees than mutual funds. Flexibility, intraday trading. Diversification in a single trade. Access to niche markets. ETFs are popular among both long-term investors and traders due to their cost efficiency and flexibility. Would you like recommendations on specific ETFs based on your investment goals? ETFs offer a simple, cost-effective way to invest in a diversified portfolio. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, ETFs can help you achieve your financial goals with flexibility and low fees. Are you investing in ETFs? Share your favorite ETFs in the comments.